Today we're breaking ground on the very first project that's made possible by Proposition S. And of course, this is a really exciting day for this neighborhood, but more importantly, it's a really exciting day for our entire region.
We will be running a new storm inlet back in the area that is flooding and draining it out here to the street. We draw people, we pay them good salaries, we pay them good benefits.
These type of infrastructure investments helping control water runoff that those of us that live in this area have experienced, for example, in our basements, it's going to go a long way.
You have the finest workers, the safest, skilled, and productive workforce in the region working on these projects to deliver them timely, safely, and on budget.
These type of projects that are mission critical, along with the work that goes to our union members, providing excellent career opportunities and advancement for them, can't ask for anything better.
There has been more flooding recently because of heavier rains and more intense rains. So this area that we're standing in now often has a lot of water, standing water, when it rains very hard. So what we're doing here today is making sure that the people who live in Bevo have safe streets to drive on, and that there's less damage, and that people just have an easier life because of this type of improvement. When taxpayers are paying for projects, it is so important that the work that is done on those projects are done by workers who are paid prevailing wage, by workers who have benefits, and making sure that, you know, we're really supporting our workforce here in the city of St. Louis and beyond.
We finally have a funding mechanism for region-wide stormwater improvements to address flooding and erosion issues throughout our service area. We've accumulated hundreds and hundreds of projects and haven't had the opportunity or funding mechanism to address them, but now we finally do. It'll take us a while to get there, but we're off and running now.
When voters approved Proposition S, they gave our region a new way to invest in stormwater solutions that we didn't have before. Flooding and erosion and other stormwater challenges are often more than any homeowner, any neighborhood, or even any municipality can solve on their own. And climate change is only making that worse. Today, we're getting started. It's the first of many more steps to come, but this marks the beginning of a more resilient St. Louis community.